You know, it's crazy, like, I've been doing this stuff for so long now, and I finally now people are paying attention. It's crazy, man. Like, I'm glad I never gave up. I'm glad that I just kept on pushing. And there's been some crazy times, there's been some bad times, sad times, but there's been a lot of good times.
Read the future right on this beat. INFIDELIX rep for these streets. Trust when I say we got the same goals, but we're both getting old and we're trying to eat, and I can barely sleep when I think about all the shit I've done. Rocking the microphone, travel the world with the lads for fun. Smoking my spliffies and drinking my rum. Life is so precious, it plays out of plan. Embracing the world in the palm of my hands. Screaming out loud that I don't give a damn. Convincing my brain to say yes I can. I mean yes I can, yes I can. We are the ones that are conquering goals. Pushing through bullshit, surviving the cold. It's car starting over, removing the mold. It's called renovating, it's called demonstrating. It is so frustrating when you push so hard. I am contemplating the time that I'm wasting, and now I'm debating on spitting these bars. My mind is still fading, I'm constantly waiting to finally take my free trip back to Mars. My life has now moved from buses to cars. Develop my skills, I am finally in charge. And I know one day that I'm gonna make it, man. I'm Megaman. And I know one day that I'm gonna make it, man. I'm Megaman. And I know one day that I'm gonna make it, man. I'm Megaman. And I know one day that I'm gonna make it, man. I'm Megaman. I've been to the bottom, I slipped in the gutter. We used to be close, but now there's just each other.
De te Fenzétúrban.
Sziasztok srácok, itt vagyunk Berlinben, az Alexanderplatzon. Drága osztályfőnökünk elhozott minket Berlinbe, mert kaptunk EU-s pénzt, aztán úgy gondolt, hogy el akarja tapsolni, és akkor most így itt vagyunk igazából. De lehet venni ilyen félméteres kolbászt. A lányok már ettek tegnap, de Isti is megkóstolta még reggel.
37-es cipő kicsire.
Az élet nagy problémája. A válasz nagyobb volt.
De az nem jó, mert 37-es a lábam.
Gyere, kamera van nálad? Találtam egy tolvajt, hallod? Itt a tolvajt, megfogtam a tolvajt. Láttam, ahogy ellop egy vezeték nélküli akkumulátort.
Elloptam 1500-at megspóroltam.
1500?
1500.
Hát Budapesten 3 bíros.
Ingé.
Hello guys, welcome to my newest video. We're here today with many Hungarian girls and guys, and we're gonna have a good time in a nightclub.
Ciao. See you tomorrow, guys. Hey.
Tomorrow,
bye.
guys.